In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier interfaces. By the end, you'll feel comfortable creating an interface from scratch or using a template, and you'll know how to add the core building blocks that make your interface useful and easy to navigate. First, log into Zapier and head to the Interfaces section. This is where all your projects live. Click the Create button and choose whether you want to start from a blank canvas or jump in with a template. Templates like a client portal or a dashboard give you a ready-made layout and common components, which is great if you want a quick start or a proven structure. A blank interface is perfect when you have a specific vision and want full control from the first click. After you choose, give your interface a clear name so it's easy to find later and easier to share with your team. Next, it's time to build your pages and add components. An interface can include multiple pages, such as home, dashboard, and settings. Think of pages like chapters in a book. Each one should have a single purpose. Add a new page when you need to separate tasks or audiences, and keep names short and intuitive so visitors always know where they are. Now let's add components with the plus icon. Start with a form when you need to collect data. Forms connect to Zapier tables, so anything submitted can be stored, tracked, and used in your automations. As you add fields, consider what's required versus optional, and use descriptive labels and placeholders to guide people. If you already have a table, link it here. If not, you can create one directly as you configure the form, so your data lands in the right place. Use a list or table component to display data from your Zapier tables. Choose the table you want, then pick the columns that matter most. You can sort, filter, and format your view to focus on what's actionable, like recent submissions or high-priority records. This is ideal for dashboards, queues, or any read-only summary your team needs. Add media components to embed images, videos, or other content that helps explain context. Keep visuals relevant and sized so they don't overwhelm your layout. Finally, use text and links to add headings, instructions, and navigation. Clear text reduces confusion, and links can connect pages within your interface or point to helpful external resources. As you build, keep the layout clean, group related elements, and preview your interface to ensure everything feels intuitive. That's it, your interface is ready to organize information, collect data, and power your workflows.